How many of you have seen the movie The Forge? Have you seen that movie? Oh, okay, very good. The rest of you, what? Korean novela maybe? You have better things to do in your time, okay? Now, I was really fascinated by this movie. It's amazing. It's all about discipleship. So you better go see it. Anyway, in this movie, the mother, the lady who played the mother, she was the mother of this young man, 19-year-old Isaiah. Isaiah was living his life on his own terms, arrogant, wanting just to enjoy life and have it easy, etc., etc. So the mother called her friends together to pray for her son Isaiah. And so in the hair salon which she owned, she had her lady friends there, and she said, and then they had this lady, Miss Clara, this one right here, and she said, we need to pray that Isaiah will have his eyes opened by God and that he will see his need for Jesus. And then one of the ladies in the shop said, oh, okay, so that's what we're praying about. So it's not like there's an emergency or something. You know what Miss Clara said? And this is something you and I should learn. We cannot treat prayer like it's some spare tire that you pull out in an emergency. No. Prayer has to be more like the steering wheel that you hold tightly every day no matter where you're going. Agree? Absolutely. Prayer and fasting, that's why we invite you every Friday, 12 to 1 to pray and fast. But we should pray all throughout the day, speaking to Jesus, asking Him to guide us, to put in our minds what is most important to me. The Word of God, the souls of people. Speaking of the souls of people,